All right, let's keep our neutral spine, and we're going to carefully press ourselves up to make sure that we don't destabilize our lower back on the way over. All right, flip yourself over here to the other side. Head, shoulders, hips, and back in one long line. We've got our waist lifted. We've got our lower back with our arch. We've got our knees pretty even, and this hand is going to be right here to make sure our hip doesn't start sliding around. And now press down with your bottom leg to help stabilize your lower back. Inhale, and exhale, lift up your top leg. Inhale to lower it down. Again, exhale, lift up the top leg. Remember, your waist is lifted and that lower leg is pressing into the ground. Inhale to lower down. Again, exhale. Inhale to lower down. Exhale, lift. Inhale to lower down. One more. Exhale, lift. Inhale to lower down. Fantastic. All right, you're going to carefully press yourself up, trying to keep your neutral spine the best you can, and you're going to shift back on over to the other side. Now, this one is a little bit more challenging. So, we want our head, shoulders, and hips lined up. Waist is lifted. I'm going to have you keep your hand right on that hip. Keep pressing down with that bottom leg and pick up that top leg. Inhale, prepare. Now here we go. Exhale, press back. Feel like you're pressing through your heel and bring that leg back as far as you can. Don't let the knee drop down. Don't let the leg turn out. Keep it in parallel. And then bring it back forward. Double check your waist. Did it fall down? Exhale, press it back. Control it back. Inhale, bring it forward. Exhale, control it back. Abs are in, and we've got a nice neutral lower back. Inhale, bring it forward. Two more. Inhale, bring it forward. One more. Inhale, bring it forward. And let's carefully lower it down. Here we go. Same thing. Press yourself up. Make sure you've got your lower back nice and stable. No wibble wobble in there. And now you're going to slide yourself down to the other side. Abs are in, waist is up. Hand is anchored at the hip. Energy out the crown of the head. Press that bottom leg down to pick that top leg up. Inhale. Now exhale. Press it back. Reach, reach, reach through that heel so that knee is right in line with the hip socket or as close to it as you can get. And then bring it back forward. Again, exhale. Reach, reach, reach. Try to make sure that knee is parallel. And bring it forward. Again, exhale. And bring it forward. Two more. Hollow the abs. Engage the glutes and hamstrings. Bring it forward. Last one. Bring it forward and lower down. Fantastic. Now careful, press those hands down and bring yourself right back on up to seated. Okay, so those are our side lying exercises that we're going to do. Again, we only did 5 of each, and you want to make sure that you go slow and do what you can handle. If you're doing any of these movements and it starts to bother your sacroiliac joint, you're doing something not well, all right? Something is off. So go back and see if you're dropping your waist, if you're rounding your back, what's gone on. And remember, you do not have to lift things super high. You may only be able to lift a tiny bit or move a little bit back. Go to the range that your body can handle right now. All right, we have one more exercise in this basic sequence, and it's called heel squeeze, and it's oh so fun. So, it is pull the belly up as much as you can and use your hamstrings as much as you can. A lot of fun. So you're going to go face down now, and you're going to put both hands under your forehead, bend the knees and flex the feet. Now you can rest your head on your hands, but because I'm speaking into the microphone, I'm not going to demonstrate it that way. Heels are tight together. I want you to pull your belly button up and in. Your lower back should be long and your abs should remain lifted the whole time. Inhale, exhale, press the heels together and slightly lift the legs off the ground. Now it's only going to lift a tiny bit. You may not be able to lift it very much at all. Lower down as you inhale. Keep the abs up and in. Exhale, squeeze and lift. Now let's lower. 3, 2, 1. Again, exhale, squeeze and lift. Lower. 3, 2, 1. Again, exhale, squeeze and lift. Lower. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, squeeze and lift. Lower. 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Exhale, squeeze and lift. Lower. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, squeeze and lift. Lower. 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. All right, I want you to carefully turn yourself side and then bring yourself up with a nice neutral supported spine. Okay, those are my basic sequence of exercises that I use to help stabilize the sacroiliac joint in a neuromuscular situation. All right, remember there can be many other things contributing to this. General inflammation in the body will contribute to the pain that you might be feeling in your sacroiliac joint. And that inflammation can be coming from diet and lifestyle. So that needs to be addressed in addition to the movements that you do to help stabilize this area. I want to point out that we didn't stretch. Now, I know you're thinking, oh, I should go stretch on my own. No, you should not. So here's the deal. People feel pain and they want to go stretch it. And then they stretch it more, and it feels good while they're stretching it, but it's actually destabilizing the area even more. So for this situation, I do not recommend stretching, all right? This is where you really need to work on strengthening the deep stabilizers and bringing balance to the different muscles that could be off, as opposed to trying to stretch it out and get a massage and make it feel better. It'll make it feel better then, but it's not going to resolve the problem. So there's no stretching in this sequence because I don't recommend stretching for this situation. All right? Thank you so much for joining me. Our next section, we're going to go into a little bit more challenging set of exercises to help stabilize the sacroiliac joint. So you want to do this sequence every day for a good 6 weeks to where you feel nice and strong doing it. And then you can move into this next set of exercises to up your ante a little bit and to give yourself a little bit more challenge. I will see you next time. Upside Down Pilates Unlimited. Get Upside Down Pilates uninterrupted with no commercials or ads. For a limited time, we are offering a special early bird discount at less than 17 cents a day. And you can lock in your rate forever. We'll keep adding new lessons. At Upside Down Pilates Unlimited, you can watch all the full 1-hour episodes of Upside Down Pilates on all your devices. Roku, Apple TV, Android, select smart TVs, iOS, Amazon Fire Stick, the web, and more. Anywhere the Vimeo app is supported. The next best thing to taking lessons with me. Plus, this is a great way to help support the channel and help keep us making great content. Upside Down Pilates Unlimited, everywhere, anytime, commercial-free, affordable. Visit www.upsidedownpilates.com to sign up now.